What's going on with y'all boys, bro? I ain't gonna lie, bro. Past 2 to 3 days, I haven't found any entries, and now we've been finding entries like crazy. So we had no news Monday. So my bias for the day on NQ, I was looking to take out the London low, and then boom, come up higher and take out the London high, because the reason for that really being is because when we swept the Asia low, we really got no reaction out of it. So I wanted to get a further bearish reaction before we go higher in the market. So I was waiting for something. Damn, this chart looks confusing, but I was waiting for one high form of liquidity to be swept out and a reaction off of it to sort of mark my bias for the day as well, which happened here. We ended up taking the Asia high right here out and filling this 1 hour bearish value gap with reactions out of it. And then we ended up getting a break of structure right here with this candle closure, because as you can see, up until this point we have a bullish trend, and we break that structure right here. And the easiest way to tell this is by going a line. And as you can see, we closed underneath this low, breaking our structure. And then I was really waiting for this 1 minute bullish for value gap to get invalidated, which ended up getting invalidated on this candle. I put my stops at this top of this fair value gap, and my take profit this 4 hour low. Although I did end up bottom taking it, I was really just looking at the chart, and when it got right here, I just clicked closed, and somehow I got lucky. Just ended up going up, and I ended up making money somehow. And immediately I was like, okay, so we sorted out the London low. We're getting we got a bullish reaction out of it, and now I'm looking to take longs. So I was waiting for, again, if we go to line mode, as you could see, we sort of broke structure right here because we're in this downwards trend right here, and this is this higher high, and we formed a high higher than this high. Damn, that sounded like a tongue twister, but if that makes sense, an easier way to explain it: when you're in a downtrend, you form a lower high and lower lows, right? Because your highs go like this, right? Like high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. But if you form a higher high, your structure is immediately broken, and you're now looking to form a bullish trend. That's what I meant. So we got. That's not what I want to do. We got to break a structure right here. We invalidated this 5 minute bearish value gap on this candle right here, and it took me a little second to click buy, but that's where I entered it. Honestly, wasn't looking good at all, and then we just somehow shot up through it, and that's that. I do think that once we invalidate at least this bearish value gap, I think we'll want to take out the London high, but I don't know if that's what price wants. We might actually want to come down and take out this 4 hour low now. I would scalp it, but I gotta go to school. ES per usual, nothing great on the price actions, but with the Asia low we swept, we got a little reaction here, but I still want to see London low get taken out. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but as you can see, we're getting great bearish reactions. I mean, we swept this high right here, and we're getting reactions out of it. Towards the downside, I guess a way to trade it if I was really looking. I'm not even looking. This is just like a barely mock trade. I don't know if I would even enter this. Maybe something like this will happen. I don't know. But oh shit, I think we are gonna take out the 4 low. I think we're gonna take out the 4 low, get enough liquidity, come out, take out both of these 1 hour bearish value gaps. I would enter off of this value gap right here for a smaller trade, but I don't know. I appreciate y'all. News real quick. We got no news tomorrow. Wednesday we got member Waller speaking, and then we got meeting minutes in the afternoon. So if I was gonna take a trade, I would really take it before 10 a.m. because whenever a member of FOMC speaks, like, you don't know how long it is and how long the reaction is. Like, for example, if you have something like unemployment claims, that's a 1 minute reaction, and then the market's back to normal. For FOMC, you don't know how, or even speeches in general, you don't know how long they talk. Unemployment claims on Thursday. And we got flash manufacturing. and existing home sales. I would probably wait until after 9 to take a trade. But I don't know what this is, Jackson Holes. I gotta look this up later. No, I'm not trading Friday for sure. With Pal speaking. I don't know either if I'm gonna trade because this is an all day thing too. But appreciate y'all, man. Y'all have a good one.